Hi, my name is Nene Minkler, and this is an overview of my first project in LabVIEW, creating a kitchen timer. Shown on the left is my block diagram, and shown on the right is my front panel. On my front panel, I have my timer dial set to go from 0 to 60 seconds. The input time is specified by the user on the front panel. By selecting this Operate Value tool within the Tools palette, I can set the dial to the integer value from which I want the timer to count down. This user-specified input time is then fed into the block diagram, shown here. On my block diagram, the front panel time control is wired to the while loop, counting down by 1 with each iteration. On the top, we have the wait until next milliseconds element that will drive the loop execution rate. Since we would like the timer to count down in seconds, we would like the loop execution rate to be 1 second. So we have set the input to this function to be 1000 milliseconds, or 1 second. This element is the local variable reading in the current time of each iteration, providing us with the ability to visually keep track of the decreasing time on the front panel timer dial. This while loop is set to be continue if true, meaning that our while loop will enter into the next iteration as long as our input time for each iteration is greater than 0, which is indicated here. The case structure inserted here is set to execute upon this greater than 0 condition returning a false, at which point the chosen sound file denoting when the time is up will play. I've chosen the Windows Ta-Da sound. The sound element takes in 3 inputs: the device ID, which for my computer that I'm running on is 0, -1 to denote that the VI will wait indefinitely for the sound to play, and the path to the sound file seen here. So now I'm going to play for you demos of my kitchen timer for 2 different times, 5 and 15 seconds. So setting this to 5 and hitting run. Okay, and then setting the input time to be 15 and hitting run. Okay, so we see that the kitchen timer works for both cases and the Ta-Da sound is produced after the user-specified input time. Thank you for watching.